Cut the tomato into 1 centimeter cubes. Cut the mozzarella cheese, same as tomato. In a microwave-safe bowl, combine mensuyu, water, olive oil, grated garlic, black pepper, and tomatoes. Mix well and cover loosely with plastic wrap and microwave for 2 minutes. Let it cool slightly, then add the mozzarella cubes and chill in the fridge. Bring a pot of water to a boil and cook the salmon for 2 minutes. Place the salmon in a serving bowl. Top with the tomato and mozzarella sauce. Tear fresh basil by hand and sprinkle over the top. There you have it.